Hello kids! Today we learn some colors and draw some 2D shapes. So first we learn some colors. Look at this color. Look at this. It's a very nice and cute color, kids. Let's learn. Yellow color, purple color, red color, yellow green color, forest green color, orange color, pink color, sky blue color, blue color, green color. Now we draw some 2D shapes. Look at these shapes and learn it. Hexagon. First we draw hexagon shape, kids. It's a hexagon. Hexagon. Now we draw triangle. It's a triangle. Triangle. Pie. We are drawing pie shape, kids. It's called pie. Pie. It's a heart. We are drawing heart shape. Heart. Now we draw cross. It's a cross shape, kids. Cross. Oval. We are drawing oval shape, kids. Oval. Deep olive green color. Deep olive green color. Indian blue color. Indian blue color. Canadian yellow color, kids. Canadian yellow color. Old red color. Old red color. Persian blue color. Persian blue color. Warm grey color, kids. Warm grey color. Now learn these shapes: hexagon, triangle, pie, heart, cross, oval. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.